Hey, good morning. I'm doing a little more wrench work this morning. This is our 77 model 4230 John Deere. And it's been having some problems with this right remote or SCV or whatever you want to call it. This one here, we had it in a shop. They put all new poppets and everything in it, and it's in good shape. This one, I think the housing is probably cracked on it because it's just a constant flow through it. I think you can actually hear it in the cab. So I pulled that one off. We need to send it in, probably get the core out of it and just get a rebuilt one. But I'm gonna want this field in the tractor, or this tractor in the field rather, tomorrow morning. So what I did was pulled that one off, and over here in this shop we have a 1976 model 8430, which I know all three SCVs on it are in good shape. Usually I only use two of them, like for the grinder, whatever else we use with it. The only time I ever use that third one is when I'm pulling a scraper. So I went ahead and pulled that one off, and I'm going to swap them. But the difference is here on the 84, your service lever is on the left side, and on the 4230 it's on the right side. So what you have to do is around back here, you got to pull the rubber retainers off of here, these little horseshoe shaped guys there. Pull those rubber retainers off, and there's a roll pin inside this rocker arm. Go ahead and tap that roll pin out. The lever itself will just pull out and reverse to the other side. Same exact housing. You see I got the one off the 4230 reversed already. It's in the vise here. Yeah, it's not a bad job. The worst part is you got to try and figure out how to get that lever pulled up to where you can actually get down inside there and work at that pin. But we got them reversed. And like I say, I'm pretty sure this housing is probably cracked, because I'm pretty sure they went through and put poppets and everything in this one, but it didn't change anything. There's just a massive amount of leakage through it, so there's got to be something else wrong with it somewhere. So that's what I'm up to this morning.